there, guys? Durock18 here, once again with the gang.
What's up?
Kevin Charles 000.
Yes.
Anthony 2 and Joey Gown 47.
Hey.
Jonathan Execution 10's gonna sit down in this one because we're gonna do Mario Kart 64.
Ah, yes.
Haven't done this in a while, so I do this.
Alright, so we don't know what's next to do.
You know what?
What'd you say?
Rainbow Road.
So basically,
Oh, snap! Shit's about to go down.
this is an easy.
Shit's about to go down.
Really?
Holy shit, that was fast.
Ah, man.
Whoa!
By the way,
And I fall off the road.
Why is it going so fast? What is this shit?
is there like a speed hack in this thing?
No, I don't have a speed hack.
So yeah, this is Rainbow Road.
Shut up! Whoa! With your
Lucian, oh!
Why is this going so fast?
I like it. It's Sonic speed.
Oh wow!
Actually,
Oh!
It's,
wow!
Yeah, bitch!
it's speed. Whoa!
There's
no
never went
sound.
this fast ever. Yeah, what happened to the sound?
I don't know.
It doesn't work when you do.
I'm catching up a little bit.
Wait, how the fuck is he in the lead?
I've been in
Again!
this whole time.
Oh, Kevin, don't you dare. Now on my side too.
It's right there.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ay, ay, ay.
Fire! Fire!
I almost got hit by my... Whoa!
Hey, how did you? I don't think they didn't train it. Every time I think I'm getting into it, I'm getting up, I get hit by something. Damn it! Why is it
These
that
red
these
shells are useless.
red shells always hit the ball?
There's really no fucking point to this now.
Alright, so far I'm getting there.
Oh my God!
Uh-oh, Joey's got the, star.
Can't fall off.
Woo! Alright. Rock and roll jump!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Second lap here.
Alright, it worked.
Run time! Oh, fuck!
Well, there you are.
Off the road with you.
There you are. Oh, yay, look at this.
Oh, I'm in, wait.
Wait, what? How am I in fourth?
I'm in the lead. Oh, there you go. It's in first place.
Here as of now.
Whoa!
Oh, we used the lightning bolt.
It's a lightning bolt. Right, Kevin?
Good, clean, wholesome fun. Kevin's still holding the red. Oh, who threw that?
I did. And I missed epically, and I should have waited till I finished turning. Oh!
Again with this fucking lightning bolt.
Well, whoever's in last place.
Lightning bolt!
Whoever's dead last.
Oh my god, he
is
is
me.
deadless.
Whoever's Yoshi's dead last. Blue shell fire!
Whoa! Ah, shit. He has a blue shell.
Oh, no! Fuck you. Oh, you know what, Anthony? I'll get you.
I love the blue shell. Keep it in this game forever.
No more blue shell.
You know, wait, it hasn't hit me yet.
Probably hit the
Whoa!
Oh, shit, it's coming! Oh god, it is coming! Fucking damn it! Ah!
Whoa!
Son of a bitch!
no music. Time.
I'm in ghost mode.
Okay, it slowed down a little bit.
Can we like add music to this or something?
Wait, someone hit the L button.
Damn. Final lap. You hit the other one.
I have a thing to protect it.
Oh no, Anthony's right behind me.
Shoot! He's right behind you! Oh, what was that?
That was a bomb
my shell.
And I'm falling. And I'm dying. The great abyss. Damn it.
You're flying through the air with the ungreatness of bunnies or whatever the fuck. I don't know.
Baby,
What
it
now?
sucks to be Luigi.
Damn. Oh shit. Why the red shell do that? Don't need these. Whoa.
Lightning bolts. I love it.
No, it's the lightning bolts. That's been like all over Rainbow Road. Whoa.
It's because I'm so far behind. Who's that last? That's me.
Give me lightning.
Wait, don't get it. How come you don't get the turbo mushroom?
You got the star though.
Whoa.
Rainbow power! No, you're far away from it. I know that. I don't care. It just gives me a speed boost when I do it.
That is true.
Whoa.
Oh, no!
At least I get my final revenge!
No, not another one.
Oh no!
The final act of Joey's plan.
Shit! Ah, damn it, dummy block. And the winner is
Oh.
Wario! My spinning shell will still hit him and I'll at least get the last laugh.
No.
Coming
Okay, that's it then? Alright. Woo!
Coming in the second
Where's
is
my
Donkey
shell?
Kong.
Oh, I
Coming
almost
in
got it.
third, Mario. And that means
Hooray, Luigi gets last place.
Luigi gets...
That was
Well,
a
even
good
I
way to
found
end
that
it.
funny.
Alright guys,
I
no
still-
music.
Where's
I
my
don't know how that
spiny
happened.
shell?
Alright
Should have
guys,
hit by now.
that was Mario Kart 64 with Mike Durock 18, the winner Kevin Shallow 000,
Yeah, for now.
Joey Gown 47, and Anthony Olbuzzer 2.
What the hell's the music?
Jonathan Execution 10 who sat out, but yeah.
Alright.
You sure you want to do like
Alright.
another race on this thing?
Nah, I have another plan probably after the video.
There he goes.
Alright, so this is me
You're
and the
a Donkey
gang,
Kong
and we'll probably see you next video. If not then see you next time.
Okay.
Alright, rock on,
Bye.
later guys.